We gonna call this NFL bias, bro. Follow me on Twitter at Gibo24. Chiefin' like the Keys, I meant chiefin' like the Chiefs. This that wordplay. I'm all about my fame without the E. Can't spell fame without the fam. So what's the top without your team? Niggas always screaming loyalty, but them the ones who creep. Was official like the rest, but now my ex is just a prefix. G shit. My last relationship made me seasick. Peep this. Money over bitches until the end. So fuck chasing these hoes, I'm chasing sex like a DN. You looking at the next Brett Favre, but this rap shit. I eat a couple beats before I starve off this rap shit. Now tell me, have you seen a nigga cold like freeze who can flow this clean using NFL team? See, I tell these hoes I love them, but I'm Detroit Lion. These bitches be gold digging like the fucking 49ers. We ducking blue and white like the Tennessee Titans, cause we been smoking no purple, that's that Minnesota Vikings. I'm higher than the Eagles, flyer than the Falcons. Get more head than the Rams and get more pussy than the Panthers. You greener than the Packers. I'm blessed just like the Saints is. Don't smoke me, boy, get rid of that Reggie like the Saints did. Free all of my niggas just for them, we roll the extra joint. When they touch down, we gon' kick it like the extra point. When it come to bitches, got them trucking like a running back. I fuck them, then I make them take a hike like the quarterback. Shout out to my bitches who be wetter than the Dolphins though. Shout out to my shooters with more weapons than the Broncos. When I take a loss, I charge it like San Diego. Then keep it moving forward like a Taurus or a Pinto. Ballin' like I'm Romo. Throw like the football. For real, dog, I'm throwed off. I might get picked off. You say that's your bitch, dog, but she in love with me, dog. I guess that's cause I give a good D like the Seahawks. Bitches love me, they come fuck me, then go kiss they nigga. I got them like blunts, but I don't lick them like swishers. He got her on lock, but I think I can hit her. So you better cuff your hoe before I Pittsburgh Steelers. And I don't usually fuck with the Patriots fans, but she always give me head when the Patriots win. What the fuck I look like turning down some head? It's like the Ravens or the Cardinals turning down some bread. I bend her over like a nose tiker, have her grabbing both ankles, make her get on top when I'm too tired like a motorcycle. She want me to hit her bed like Chicago. Hit her wrong, I probably hit the fucking lotto. I don't trust shit, heart scarred like the Bengals, ballin' like the Giants, Browns, Jets, and the Raiders. Jerry Jones money on my mind, boy, so I'ma milk the game up like a cowboy. I swear I'm trying to see 100 mil, that's for real. My niggas ain't no robbers, but they keep that still. I ain't riding in the Jag up in Jacksonville, but I got Tampa Bay Bucks and Buffalo Bills. Hey, hey.